Hello everyone. Doing something different today. We're going to Spirit Halloween here in Algonquin, Illinois. It's on Randall Road to see what they have in here. See, we'll show you guys what we buy. Cool. This thing move? No, it does move.
Halloween costumes make me crazy. They make me wanna pummel things with my hammer. Yeah. I think
these are like $219 there. What's it?
That's cool.
I don't even see if they got all the masks or just the
Considered
trick or treat masks. But look at this compared to, if you saw my video before, look at the difference in these compared to mine, honey. Remember you said you couldn't tell a difference? You can't tell.
Yeah, I can.
This is the one I wore. This is the Halloween 2 one. Let's just go through here, Mikey. What's on this side? This one's not as big as those ones we saw. You know that? This one doesn't seem as big. Our Scott was talking about putting a spider up in the trailer. Is that the spider doing that? Oh, it's that thing over here. Looks like they're out of a lot of stuff. But there's a big pumpkin. Is that this one talking or is that that? No. It's all the Beetlejuice stuff. Remember that face right here? Got pillows. This thing's pretty cool. I wouldn't mind getting that. Right? Because it lights up. See how much this is. Is there a price on about them? You look at that then?
$39.99.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Let's get that. You shouldn't be telling people on it. Look. Remember this stupid Halloween H2O? Oh, that's the one you like, right? That's the H2O one. $4.99 on one. There's all the itch stuff here. Little cups. Yeah, make sure you get one that. There's gonna be times. This is pretty cool. Is that in the back?
Well, I pressed that.
Okay. But take one in the back though.
I did.
Oh, okay, good, perfect. Just press it again.
Yeah, so how the game works is, do you have
Schedule.
Is it?
I looked at.
How much is it? It's $2.79 on it.
Look. These are cool because they stick out of the ground. The other ones that we have at home are just
But you're right, it looks like you don't have all the stuff out, so
yeah,
I might have to come back here maybe like in a couple weeks. Yeah. So we gotta look for something like this would be cool by the trailer too. No, it doesn't even do anything. They can just the eyes light up all on. Because they're cheap, they're only 20 bucks. How about this one? It doesn't work. Oh, this one's cool.
Little trick
Oh my
or treat guy?
god, yeah.
Oh, it is cool.
You know what? This will $59. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah, look at
Look
that.
at that. How much is? And it's small too. It'll fit perfectly up there.
That's actually cool.
Yeah. And if you hear the chains on there, you know, we're gonna. Here's the thing, it's tough. You know, you get, but you don't buy more stuff. There's no coupons yet. You know. All right, come on. $36. $60. $59 for Sam. The rest of the stuff here is just costumes and everything. I'm not in here.
Yeah, they don't have a lot of stuff out yet.
Yeah. So we'll show you guys this, and then we'll probably come back in a couple weeks. Yeah, some of this stuff I don't get.
Yeah.
Like pineapples. I know it's funny, but I don't like funny stuff. I like doing something that is cool. Clearance aisle. Brown skaters. I don't understand that. Brown hooded romper. Yeah, I don't know.
I guess if you just need that part of your outfit or something.
Maybe, yeah. Here, you made it? Another one? Oh, you're right, yeah. This is coming soon. More great. Yeah, see right there? It says more great merchandise is coming, so. There's all the mass area here and weapons right here. That's really good. It'd be tough to wear that. Zero clown. Oh, that's cool. It's like scanning. I mean, come on, look at this. Oh, so shitty. It'd be cool being Game of Thrones, but I'm not a fan of that mask. Like the grumpy baby, look at that. I think only a couple things for Hocus Pocus. They're probably gonna come out with more. They got Nightmare Before Christmas here. They got Nightmare Before Christmas stuff here. But Haunted Mansion will probably be over here, you know?
Yeah. Oh, maybe over here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look. We got some Haunted Mansion cups here, so I'm sure more is coming on the way here. So we'll come back in a couple weeks probably.
Really?
You ready, babe? Dance it, baby, dance. Terry's shaking it. Alright, I think we're gonna head out of here and come back. Alright, so we're leaving now. It was not, they didn't have that much stuff at this one. Like we saw a bunch of vloggers and everything putting it on. And like in Florida and California we saw them, there's a lot more stuff. So we'll come back in a couple weeks when we got a little more things so we can compare what's there now. Alright? So I got a, next or so, tomorrow I'm gonna have another video out, an unboxing of a special mask I just got. So I'll show you guys that too tomorrow. There could be some other stores.
We'll have to check, yeah, maybe other locations.